Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The hour will not occur until the Romans reach Amaq and Dabiq. Then a detachment from Medina Munawwara comprising the most pious people on the face of the earth will set off to counter-attack them. When both armies will get arrayed in ranks, the Roman will say to the Muslims, 'You must not come between us and those people who have taken some of us captive.' The Muslim says, 'No, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we will not let you fight against our brethren.' They will then fight against the Muslim, and 1/3 of them, the Muslims, will flee away. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will never approve their repentance, and 1/3 of them will assassinated, who will be the most excellent martyrs in the sight of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. The remaining 1/3 of them will win a victory and will never be put to trial. They will conquer the Constantinople, while they will be apportioning the booty after hanging their swords on the olive trees. The Satan will all at once shout among them, 'Dajjal, Antichrist has reached near your family.' So they will make an exit, but that news will be false. When they will reach Syria, the Antichrist will appear, while they will be drawing up in ranks, preparing themselves for war, and the people will be ready to perform the prayer. Hazrat Isa, the son of Maryam alayhi salam, will descend and lead the Muslims in the prayer. When the foe of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu means Dajjal, will see them, he will disappear as salt dissolves in water. If Hazrat Isa leaves him, even then he will melt away to death. But Allah will kill him at Hazrat Isa's hand and show them this blood on his Hazrat Isa's lance. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7207.